You feel like you're doing everything right. You're trying harder, eating better, hydrating more, taking supplements, trying to support your body in every way you can. And yet, something still feels stuck. Energy comes and goes. Inflammation keeps returning. Recovery feels slow. And after a while, people begin to wonder, why isn't my body responding? Here's what most people never realize. Healing is not only about what the body receives, it's also about what the body can remove. Every single day, your body creates waste. From normal metabolism, from inflammation, from stress, from environmental exposure. And if that waste is not cleared efficiently, the body becomes congested, not broken, congested. This is where many people get trapped. They keep adding more supplements, more detox products, more strategies, more effort. But the body is already overloaded. It doesn't need more input. It needs more capacity to clear. Healing follows a sequence. Hydration creates flow. Structure stabilizes the system. Energy powers repair. Safety allows healing to begin. Then the body must clear what no longer belongs, because the body cannot rebuild efficiently in a congested environment. This is why people stay stuck, even when they are trying everything, not because healing is impossible, but because the process is incomplete. And this is important to understand. People want the result: more energy, less pain, better breathing, a stronger body. But the body must go through the process required to create those outcomes. Biology does not skip steps, and lasting restoration cannot be rushed. But when the body begins clearing efficiently again, everything starts changing. Inflammation reduces, energy stabilizes, the system becomes lighter, repair becomes possible again. Your body already knows how to heal. It just needs the right conditions in the right order. If this resonates, comment process below and follow for more clarity on how the body actually restores itself.